All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Country C. Have you ever came home and seen a package on the porch and said to yourself, "She got mail again. What I got to put together now?" Well, stay tuned and we'll all find out together what's in this box. All right, y'all. After asking the dreaded "What's in the box" question, I was told it was something I need to put together, which I already knew. Well, let's see together what it is. All right. What do we have here? All right, this is gonna be some kind of shelf. So let me go ahead and get everything laid out and then we'll talk about it. All right, y'all. What it looks like we got is a shelf organizer to hang over the door of our pantry, which I'm pretty sure she's gonna put her seasonings in. So it seems like a pretty easy install. So let's go ahead and put it together right quick and see if we can surprise her. All right. And it's real simple. It looks like it's only 4 pieces, right and left. And it's right 1 through 4 and left 1 through 4. So let's hope that we get this right and not left. If you're like me, I get all my pieces together and put all my trash to the side, then I start installing. That way I can make sure there's nothing missing. All right. Instructions. What fun is that? So let's see. You connect L1 to L2. Has a little knob right there. A little button. Clicked in. Might be simpler than I thought. All right, so that's one side done. Oh wait, we forgot the plastic. Too late, we've already started working. Just keep it pushing. What can you do? All right. Now that we got that together, let's see. How we gonna do this? Pretty sure it's gonna hang on the door. Do we really need them instructions or do we just wanna say, hey, I figured that out on my own? Me, I like to figure it out on my own. Pieces look the same. So I'm just gonna assume, put it on there like that. Slide that hook right off in there like that. All right, what we need to do now? Let's start by standing it up. And we're gonna try to put a basket on. That looks real simple. And I think it is. Put that other one on. All right. Yeah, I almost got myself stuck. Y'all supposed to be telling me to watch out for that. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one in right here in the middle. And that's just to make everything support and stay together. And it looks like all you're doing is just sliding the notches on there. All right. Put this one on the top. Got us another one. And honestly, I can't tell whether it's the front or the back because it all look the same. So we just gonna hope that we mount it right. And if I did it wrong, I'm gonna tell my wife that y'all told me to do it like that because I ain't getting in trouble by myself. Let's get this final one on here. And here we go. All right, guys, now that I got you from this angle, you're just gonna pick it up, walk it up to the door. The hook should just slide right on. Still got room for the doorknob. And it closes perfectly. It opens up. Now there is some adhesive for you to stick to the bottom of the door so that this part doesn't move. Now me personally, I'm gonna be a smart husband. Even though I installed this for her, I'm gonna wait till she get home and we gonna confirm this is exactly where she wanted before I secure it to where I end up having to take it back down and move it again. So we'll come back with those results later. All right, y'all, she back home now. Is this to your liking?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Oh,
So
that looks good, babe.
I haven't secured it yet
Uh-huh.
because I wanted to make sure that it was in the right spot.
Right. It needs to, at the bottom.
I need you to show me.
Like when you secure
Right
it.
here, that's
I'm
what's
not
going to
sure.
stick to the door.
Okay, that's fine. I just need to, maybe we need to move it over just, cause that door, I don't know.
That's the inside knob. That don't matter.
Okay, that's fine. I mean, but yeah, I mean, I don't want it to like sway, you know, but it looks good.
It's
It
got
looks really
adhesive,
good.
and that adhesive is going to stick to the door
Okay.
to keep this from moving like that. So that's why I was trying to make sure.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's perfect.
All right. Well, let me get that done.
Okay.
And thank you for your input now.
You're welcome.
All right, y'all, after getting the approval, I got it secured right here. I used 3M adhesive and I used some rubbing alcohol down here on where the thing was gonna actually mat to the wall. So if you guys ever wanted to put together an organizer for your pantry, this is the video for it. And I appreciate you hanging out with me, Country C, in the country community. And I would like for you to show your appreciation for this video by liking, subscribing, and sharing with your friends. Until then, I'll holler at y'all later.